22nd anniversary of the Kargil Vijay Divas. It is celebrated on 26 July every year to mark the successful completion of Operation Vijay. The war, which lasted for 84 days, took place in the Kargil district of Jammu and Kashmir and along the line of control. While everyone is aware of the stories of the brave hearts of our nation, there still remains some of the facts which are unknown. So here are some things to know about the Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil was the first war between India and Pakistan after 1971. The Kargil War was fought between India and Pakistan. It was the first war between the two after the 1971 war, which had led to the formation of Bangladesh as a separate country. Kargil War was fought under -10 degree. This fact remains unknown to many people that the Kargil War was fought under -10 degree temperature. The war was fought for around 84 days under testing conditions. Operation Vijay was launched by India to clear infiltration by Pakistani soldiers in the Kargil sector. India launched Operation Vijay to clear the Kargil sector of infiltration by Pakistani soldiers and Kashmiri militants on the Indian side of the line of control. The Indian Army had captured strategic peaks like Tiger Hill and Tololing until July 4, 1999. Operation Safed Sagar was the special air operation carried out. After the Indian military called out for air support during the Kargil War, Operation Safed Sagar was the special air operation being carried out. It is said to be a milestone for military aviation, as this was for the first time that air power was employed in such an environment. Under this exercise, Indian Air Force mounted attacks on the infiltrators without crossing the LOC. While there was considerable pressure from outside for the Indian Air Force to operate only attack helicopters, the force managed to convince the government that in order to create a suitable environment for the helicopters, fighter action was required. The two nations had signed Shimla Agreement before the war took place. The war took place despite the two nations signing the Shimla Agreement that stated that no armed conflict shall take place on the said boundary. The Indian and Pakistani armies fought the Kargil War in May to July 1999 in Kargil and along the line of control. India lost more than 500 military men during the Kargil War. While India had lost more than 500 brave hearts on the Kargil territory, it is said that report from Pakistan claimed that more than 3,000 of their soldiers died. Built by the Indian Army, the Kargil War Memorial Wall in Dras has inscriptions of all the Indian soldiers who lost their lives in the war. The memorial also has a museum with documents, recordings and pictures of the Indian soldiers at Kargil. Kargil War was one of the few instances when war was fought between the two nuclear states. It was also the first war between India and Pakistan, which was largely covered by the media. At the time of war, the Atal Bihari Vajpayee-led NDA government was in power. The operation was officially closed on July 26, 1999. Operation Vijay was termed successful on this day when India won a decisive victory, though India had lost its brave hearts during the war. While PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee declared the operation successful on July 14th, the operation was officially declared closed on July 26, 1999. So today, on 22nd anniversary of the Kargil Vijay Divas, we salute and remember all the brave hearts of the nation.